review. This is actually my brother's channel.
Okay. So first we got the Skittles. So first we didn't have enough time because she messed it up. I'm gonna taste all the flavors and see which one is the sours. So first strawberry.
Well, let me taste strawberry.
Actually, I think it's cherries. Let's check the flavor. It's actually strawberry.
Wow.
Orange. We're on orange yellow. This is definitely orange flavored.
Of course it is. It's orange.
Yellow.
Yellow's lemons. Oh, there's one with the yellow.
Spicy.
It's got sour. Green.
I'm thinking brown.
That's purple.
Oh.
And since there's no blue, we're gonna do purple. Here. Cheers.
So I definitely vote that yellow's is sour.
Yeah, definitely. Now let's move on to the next one before the video ends. This. We actually have